Imagine this. It's the end of a long, exhausting day, and you're finally crawling into bed, ready to drift off into a peaceful slumber. But instead of feeling relaxed, your mind is racing, your body is tense, and sleep feels just out of reach. Sound familiar? What if I told you that the secret to better sleep might be as simple as spending a few minutes stretching before bed? It's true, stretching isn't just for athletes or yoga enthusiasts. It's a powerful tool that can help you unwind, release tension, and prepare your body and mind for a restful night's sleep. Let's dive into why stretching before bed is a game changer for your sleep quality and overall well-being. When we think about sleep, we often focus on external factors like a comfortable mattress, a dark room, or avoiding screens before bed. While these are important, we sometimes overlook the role our bodies play in the sleep process. Throughout the day, our muscles accumulate tension from sitting, standing, or even stress. This tension can make it harder for our bodies to fully relax, which is essential for falling asleep and staying asleep. Stretching before bed helps to release this built-up tension, signaling to your body that it's time to wind down. It's like giving your muscles a gentle reminder that the day is over, and it's safe to let go. But how exactly does stretching improve sleep? One of the key ways is by activating the parasympathetic nervous system, often referred to as the rest and digest system. When you engage in slow, deliberate stretches, your heart rate slows, your breathing deepens, and your body shifts into a state of calm. This is the opposite of the fight or flight response triggered by stress, and it's exactly what your body needs to prepare for sleep. Studies have shown that activities like stretching and yoga can significantly reduce cortisol levels, the hormone associated with stress. Lower cortisol levels mean a quieter mind and a body that's ready to rest. Another benefit of stretching before bed is its ability to improve circulation. When you stretch, you increase blood flow to your muscles, which helps to deliver oxygen and nutrients while removing waste products like lactic acid. This not only reduces muscle soreness, but also promotes a sense of physical relaxation. Improved circulation can also help regulate your body temperature, which is crucial for sleep. As you stretch, your body begins to cool down slightly, mimicking the natural drop in temperature that occurs as you fall asleep. This subtle change can make it easier to drift off and stay asleep throughout the night. Let's talk about the types of stretches that are most effective for promoting sleep. Gentle, static stretches where you hold a position for 20 to 30 seconds are ideal for bedtime. These stretches should focus on areas of the body that tend to hold tension, such as the neck, shoulders, back, and hips. For example, a simple seated forward fold can help release tension in your lower back and hamstrings, while a child's pose can stretch your spine and calm your mind. Incorporating deep breathing into your stretching routine can amplify the relaxation effect. Try inhaling deeply as you move into a stretch and exhaling slowly as you hold it. This combination of movement and breath creates a meditative experience that can quiet your thoughts and prepare you for sleep. It's also worth noting that stretching before bed can have a positive impact on your sleep posture. Many of us don't realize that poor posture during the day can carry over into our sleep, leading to discomfort and even pain. Stretching helps to realign your muscles and joints, reducing the likelihood of waking up with aches and stiffness. For instance, stretching your chest and shoulders can counteract the hunch posture that comes from sitting at a desk all day, while stretching your hip flexors can relieve pressure on your lower back. By addressing these imbalances before bed, you're setting yourself up for a more comfortable and restorative night's sleep. Now, let's address a common concern. What if you're not flexible? The good news is that stretching before bed isn't about achieving perfect form or touching your toes. It's about listening to your body and moving in a way that feels good. Even a few minutes of gentle stretching can make a difference. The key is consistency, making stretching a regular part of your bedtime routine. Over time, you'll likely notice that your flexibility improves, and so does your sleep quality. It's a win-win situation. If you're still not convinced, consider this. Stretching before bed can also improve your mental health. Sleep and mental health are deeply interconnected, and poor sleep can exacerbate feelings of anxiety and depression. Stretching provides an opportunity to check in with yourself, release emotional tension, and practice mindfulness. As you stretch, try to focus on the sensations in your body and let go of any lingering worries from the day. This mindful approach can help you cultivate a sense of gratitude and peace, setting the stage for a more positive mindset in the morning. Scientific research supports the idea that stretching can enhance sleep quality. A study published in the Journal of Clinical Sleep Medicine found that participants who engaged in a regular stretching routine experienced significant improvements in sleep duration and quality. Another study in the Journal of Physical Therapy Science highlighted the benefits of stretching for reducing insomnia symptoms, particularly in older adults. These findings underscore the idea that stretching is a simple yet effective way to support better sleep, regardless of age or fitness level. Of course, stretching before bed is just one piece of the sleep puzzle. It's important to pair it with other healthy sleep habits, such as maintaining a consistent sleep schedule, creating a calming bedtime routine, and avoiding caffeine and heavy meals late in the day. Think of stretching as the finishing touch, a way to signal to your body that it's time to transition from the busyness of the day to the stillness of the night. So, what does a bedtime stretching routine look like in practice? Start by finding a quiet, comfortable space where you won't be interrupted. You don't need any special equipment, just your body and a willingness to relax. Begin with some gentle neck rolls to release tension in your upper body. Then move on to shoulder stretches and side bends. From there, you can transition to seated or lying down stretches, like a seated forward fold or a supine twist. Finish with a few deep breaths and a moment of stillness, allowing yourself to fully absorb the benefits of your practice. The entire routine can take as little as 5 to 10 minutes, but the impact on your sleep can be profound. As you incorporate stretching into your bedtime routine, pay attention to how your body responds. You might notice that you fall asleep more quickly, wake up less frequently during the night, or feel more refreshed in the morning. These small changes can add up over time, leading to better overall health and well-being. Remember, sleep is not a luxury, it's a necessity. By taking a few minutes each night to stretch, you're investing in your physical, mental, and emotional health. In a world that often feels fast-paced and overwhelming, stretching before bed is a simple yet powerful way to reclaim a sense of calm and balance. It's a reminder to slow down, breathe deeply, and take care of yourself. So tonight, before you climb into bed, take a few moments to stretch. Your body and mind will thank you, and you might just discover that better sleep is within reach. After all, the secret to a good night's rest might be as simple as a few gentle stretches. Sweet dreams.